Good morning, all. Everyone is fine? Yes, we all are fine, kids. Today in our English class, we are going to do O sound words. We are going to do O sound words, kids. We are completed with the A sound word, E sound words, and I sound words. Now it's turn O sound words. Okay. What is the sound of O? What is the sound of O? O, 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 O. Oh, oh, oh. Yes, we all know these sounds, kids. In your phonics skill book, page number 22. Okay, kids, you are going to read these words loudly. Okay, and you are going to send this video to us. Okay, kids. Now we are going to write. I'm showing how to write these words while speaking sounds. Okay, what is the sound of D? D. Yes. D. O. D. D. O. D. Okay. What is the sound of G? G. O. G. G. O. Go. What is the sound of N? What is the sound of N? And O. O. No. No. Okay? Do. Go. No. All these are O sound words. Okay, kids? I'm going to send you a PDF. You're going to complete this in your notebooks. Please, kids, start joining these letters. Okay, very nicely, beautifully write in your notebook and click the photos and send it to us. Thank you. Bye.